If you're looking for an awesome product at a great price, be sure to check out the link in the description. Ghislaine Maxwell, the convicted sex trafficker and close associate of the late Jeffrey Epstein, has issued a controversial demand: immunity from prosecution in exchange for testimony before the House Oversight Committee. This bombshell development follows last week's subpoena from the committee, demanding Maxwell's deposition next month at a federal prison in Tallahassee, Florida, where she's currently serving a 20-year sentence. In a letter sent Tuesday to committee chairman James Comer, Maxwell's lawyer, David Marcus, outlined the conditions for her cooperation, immediately making it clear that testifying from prison and without a grant of immunity are non-negotiable. Initially, the defense indicated Maxwell would invoke her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, citing the ongoing legal battles she faces. These include a pending petition before the Supreme Court and a forthcoming habeas corpus petition. Marcus argued that any testimony could jeopardize her constitutional rights, prejudice her legal challenges, and potentially contaminate any future jury pool. However, a surprising twist unfolded. The letter shifted gears, suggesting a willingness to cooperate, contingent upon specific, substantial concessions. These conditions, as outlined by Marcus, include formal immunity from further prosecution, a location outside the correctional facility for the interview, access to the committee's questions beforehand, and a postponement of the deposition until after the resolution of her Supreme Court and habeas corpus petitions. The letter underscored the high stakes involved, asserting that without formal immunity, Maxwell cannot risk further criminal exposure in a politically charged environment. Should these conditions remain unmet, the lawyer stated unequivocally that Maxwell will have no choice but to invoke her Fifth Amendment rights. The Oversight Committee, in a swift response Tuesday afternoon, rejected the immunity request. In a statement, a committee spokesperson declared that while they would respond to Maxwell's attorney, granting congressional immunity is off the table. The letter concluded with an unexpected plea for clemency. Marcus argued that if granted clemency, Maxwell would be willing and eager to testify openly and honestly, in public, before Congress in Washington, D.C., seizing the opportunity to share the truth and to dispel the many misconceptions and misstatements that have plagued this case from the beginning. This dramatic turn of events comes amidst intense scrutiny of the Department of Justice, which recently met with Maxwell for 2 days. This meeting follows earlier bipartisan criticism, including from some Trump supporters, directed at the department's decision not to release further documents from the Epstein case, despite previous pledges from the Trump administration and former Attorney General Pam Bondi. The situation remains deeply complex, highlighting the ongoing legal and political battles surrounding the Epstein case and the extraordinary measures Maxwell is now taking to protect her interests. The potential implications of Maxwell's testimony, whether given under immunity or through clemency, are far-reaching, promising to shed further light on a case that has captivated the nation for years and continues to generate significant controversy. The legal maneuvering intensifies, leaving many questions unanswered and fueling intense public speculation regarding the potential revelations that may yet emerge. The stage is set for a potential showdown between Maxwell's legal team and the House Oversight Committee, a battle with the power to significantly reshape the narrative surrounding the Epstein scandal and its many unanswered questions. The coming weeks promise to be crucial, with the possibility of new information surfacing and the potential for a major shift in the legal landscape surrounding this high-profile case. The eyes of the nation, and the world, are firmly fixed on this unfolding drama. Will Maxwell testify? Under what conditions? And what secrets might she reveal? The answers remain elusive, adding to the intrigue and suspense of this deeply controversial and complex saga.